Do you want to know what the difference is between a voluntary departure and a deportation order? Well, this video is for you. My name is Jorge Molina. I am a board-certified immigration attorney based in Dallas-Fort Worth and serving clients worldwide. And today we're going to be talking about what is the difference between voluntary departure and a deportation order. Alright, so we've done similar videos in the past about voluntary departure and why it's better than a deportation order. I do need to give you an update. In the past, DHS, meaning ICE, would give you the privilege of voluntary departure instead of detaining you. Right now, ICE is not doing that. And they're doing this for political reasons. They have a massive budget. They need to justify every penny in that so they can keep a very massive budget in the future. So that's why they're holding everyone and they're not giving people the benefit of voluntary departure, which benefits everyone. It benefits them because they spend less money. It benefits the individual because they're not detained, and it benefits the immigration court systems, which is facing historic backlogs, right? But they're not doing that. People in the White House, Stephen Miller in particular, are literally profiting from detaining people by immigration authorities. All right, so unfortunately, DHS is not giving you this opportunity of voluntary departure. So if you want to avoid a deportation order, which you're removed to your country and you are prohibited from returning to the United States for 5 years, plus you have a deportation order that would very likely make it very difficult for you to get any visa into the United States in the future, even after that 5-year period, or 10 or 20 year, depending whether it's your first or second deportation order. So what you really want to do if you're in immigration court and you don't want to fight your case is get a voluntary departure. Now, voluntary departure order terminates your proceedings and it allows you typically 120 days to leave the United States. If you just don't show up, you're going to end up with a deportation order known as an in absentia removal order, which is another ground of inadmissibility, meaning that's another reason why the United States wouldn't allow you back into the United States. So if you've been in the United States for over a year, you don't want to fight your case, you have the means to pay for your ticket back home, when you can apply for a voluntary departure on occasions, because if you have criminal history or your case just presents some facts that a judge would say, well, you don't merit the privilege of voluntary departure, I want to punish you, they'll issue a deportation order. But in most cases, the court doesn't do that. They are not going to want to add insult to injury, and they'll just give you the voluntary departure. You just need to make a showing that you're willing to leave, you have the passport, you have the means to leave, and that you will accept the ruling of the court as final. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. My name is Jorge Molina. Thank you for watching.